Alright guys, so I'm still in Japan. I'm just went to the grocery store, got this called Coco Max. This is 100% coconut water. As you can see, it's all in Japanese writing. I don't know what it says, but I am going to do a quick taste test for you. So let's open this up. Alright, here it is, all opened up. Let's do a quick taste test. Wow, that tastes very different than the one in North America. It's sweeter, but it's not like overly sweet or anything. But it does have a sweeter taste to it. Now, I don't know, like I said, what it says. It's 100% coconut water, but I doubt they add sugar. So, and the aroma of the coconut water tastes a little bit different as well. Yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.